Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, but yes, today we're gonna do a video. It's Easter Monday and I'm gonna take you to a drive up Annandale, not the far but higher up. I think there's a dam there. I've been there before, but I didn't get to see the dam. I took some pictures, I posted it on Instagram, and please check it out. Give them a like there. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I hope this channel is all about scouting my beautiful island Grenada. So subscribe and you shall see all what I do. This view is something else. You're driving along a cliff and you get this beautiful view of the mountains and valleys. One of the reasons I created this channel is to talk about preserving our little nature. Us Homo sapiens have developed a long way, and in so we produce a lot of garbage, and this is what we do. Polluting our environment and not knowing how it affects our life directly. Grenadians, please discard of the garbage appropriately. I got to say that this community is very well taken care of, and you can see many flora around that is so beautiful. Kudos to you all. Annandale Waterfall, that area. And then we're gonna go up higher this way. We're gonna go up this way. Okay, so keep continuing and you'll see I'll bring you. So we continue to drive and then we find this bridge and this kind of cynical looking place. It's very nice, very good scenery. Yeah, so I like this area. I like nature. It's so refreshing. The soothing songs of the river running, cool breeze and the fresh air. I love it. So the river is a little bit muddy as it has rain, as you can see, but still you could enjoy it, enjoy the view. So we're gonna continue ascending this area. So keep continue to watch. So that's nice and steady. There is stones on the ground. It's kind of moist, so the vehicle gonna slip a little, but it's gonna make it. I have it in forward drive, so no problem. Yeah guys, this is what I do in my free time. Whenever I have a little time off, I'll go explore a little off-roads and take in some nature to reset my mind, and I'm sharing it with you and I hope you enjoy it. Oh, there's a big stone there. No, you could go over it. You could have a high clearance. Daniel, you enjoying the ride? So I believe the last time when I came here, it was my first time exploring this road. I took some pictures, I post some reels on Instagram. You should definitely check it out. Dr. Braids. Now this channel is my second channel. My original channel is Brady Langine. I'm just trying out this new channel just to see how it goes. But still, feel free to subscribe and like and continue to watch my videos. In my other channel, Brady Langain, I'm still gonna be posting there. I'll be posting hopefully a lot of snorkeling underwater videos, because I'm trying to get into that. Now, I think the road on the right takes you to the dam. I've ventured on this road before, so let's see what's here. If it's not too bad, I'll continue, but if it's bad, I may have to abort. Way behind God back. Let's see what's down there. Not so bad. Hope there's a turning spot. If not, I may have to reverse. Just kidding. I'll be able to reverse or turn anyway. So I think that's a dam ahead. That's a dam ahead there, guys. So I will turn in the meantime. I will turn. Oh, that's a dam over there. Yay! So let me turn. So I was reversing to turn around, but then I reversed coming back to here. And there's still some road in the back there, but I think it's kind of muddy, so I won't go too far. I think I'll stay right here on the bridge. Okay, I'll go to sea. I think Dan is going to stay in the vehicle. So here we are, one of our dams, many dams we have for a supply of water. That's what Nawasa makes these dams for us, for storage, for us to drink. And the water comes from the mountain, so it's nice fresh water, guys. I think they do some purification processes on the shore of the entirety of it, what they do. Nevertheless, our water is nice and refreshing. So it's fenced, so I cannot actually go in there. And it says no trespassing at the front. Well, look at that over there. How beautiful is nature. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a short one, but it was definitely worth the trip. I'm up here in the mountains, enjoying the fresh breeze, feeling the nice fresh breeze, and enjoying good company. So see you next time in my next adventure. Remember to subscribe, like, and also check out my other channel where I have a lot of videos for you to watch. So go check it out, Brady Langain. Thank you for watching.